Hello friends, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Jeromekeys Music. So today I want to show you something very special, I'll be giving you guys lead line and bass line tutorial today, So first of all, I'll play it. Once I play it, I'll bring the camera to the keyboard to show you guys what I was playing. So just watch and learn. So friends, what I was playing was very simple I was just adding some notes, combining some notes together I created. So I'm going to show you what I was playing now. So I'm playing on F sharp, but I'll be calling out the notes so that for those of us that is not familiar with F sharp, I know some play on F, some play on C, so you can get the notes I'm calling and apply it to your own key you play on. So I'll be playing it on F sharp. Just have to listen and watch, and make sure you write out the notes down before you rehearse it. Just write out the notes down before you start rehearsing it so you get it better. So the first thing I was playing there is let me just play with the beat so before I call out the notes. That is mi do re do ti ta, fa re mi do ti la ti so fa. Mi do re do ti ta, fa re mi do ti la ti so fa. Let me take it slowly. Mi do re do ti ta, fa re mi do ti la ti so fa. Hope you are seeing it. Mi do re do ti ta, re mi do ti la ti so fa. That is what I was playing first. Mi do re do ti ta, fa re mi do ti la ti so fa. Then mi do re do ti la ta la mi so fa fa la re la ti ti so fa. Let me just play that one with the beat so you get it better. I was playing first like this. So let me do the breakdown. Mi do re do ti ta, fa re mi do ti la ti so fa. Then mi do re do ti la ta la mi so fa fa la re la ti ti so fa mi. Let me take it slowly. Mi do re do ti la ta la mi so fa fa la re la ti ti so fa mi so la ta mi so fa la re la ti ti so fa mi. I'm just tapping this so and la, just like this. So. Mi do re do ti ta, fa re mi do ti la ti so fa. Mi do re do ti la ta la mi so fa fa la re ra ti ti so fa mi. There you go. So la ta ta la mi so fa fa la re ra ti ti so fa mi. Or you can do so la ta ta la so fa re mi fa la so fa re mi. Just different one you can create it. So la ta ta la mi so fa la re do ti ti la ta la so fa mi. You can just add so many you can use. So let me show you this one now. So what I'm playing here is you can use this lower octave or you can use this lower octave for that. So let me call out the notes for you. Do mi la mi so la do mi re fa la re so fa so do mi la. As you are tapping this do, your hand will remain on the do there. You can see it. That is do mi la mi so. Your hand will remain on the do there. Do mi la mi so. Do mi la mi so. Hope you are singing it very well. Do mi la mi so la do mi re fa. Then your hand will remain on the la and your hand will remain on the re also. Do mi la mi so la do mi re fa la re fa la ti re so fa so. Do mi la mi so la do mi re fa la ti re so fa so. Do mi la mi so la do mi re. Then let me show you now. Guys, me first. Let me play it first. I'm just doing something like this. Mi fa so fa mi re fa fa la ti do ti ti so fa mi. Guys, mi fa so fa mi re fa fa la ti do ti ti so fa mi. Mi fa so fa mi re fa fa la ti do ti ti so fa mi. Do mi re do ta fa re mi do ti so mi do re do ti ta la so fa re do ti ti so fa mi. So this is another one. So I'm just doing them. Do mi ti re la do fa la re so ti re fa la re so ti re fa la re mi. You can do something like this. So this is the last one I'm going to teach you now. Middle, guys. Do mi ti re la do so do mi ti re la do so ti fa la re so ti re fa la re mi so ta sorry mi so ta so ti re fa la re mi so ta fa la mi so ti fa la re la re so ti re fa la re fa la re mi. Let me take it slowly so you get it. Do mi ti re guys. get it better. Domi tire la do soti falare, soti re falare, mi sota sota, re fala mi soti, re fala mi soti falare la re soti re falare, mi sota sota, re fala mi sota, re fala mi soti falare la re soti re falare mi. Hope you, I know you can get this one now. It's very simple though, it's very simple. You just have to watch and write it down before rehearsing it. So that is the end of the lead line I'm playing. So I was just doing different type of lead line, but I'm teaching you some of the lead line I'm playing. So let's go to the bass line now. So let me call out the bass line I was playing for you guys. It goes like this. So it goes like this. Do so do la la mi la re la mi so so re so do. Do so do la la mi la re la re so 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 re so do. I know this one is very simple, so it's not that difficult. Do do so do la la mi la re so 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 re so do. So friends, thanks for watching. I have teaching you some lead and bass line. I will still teach you more. So all you just have to do is to like this video and comment below. You can comment the song you want me to do. Just comment on this video or any of my video. I'll try and do the video of the song. So thanks for watching. God bless you all.